Hello everyone, so today I'm going to share with you how to remove aphids. So here are some of the beans that I have that get attacked by aphids and ants. So if you have aphids, first thing you want to look at is that you have ants as well. So in order to remove the aphids, you have to think of how to prevent ants naturally, because they are the one that have a mutual relationship with aphids. So first, take a look at the bottom of your beans. So this is an example of my beans. Here's my beans plant. Since I do not use inorganic or chemicals or pesticide in my garden, I use marigold. Here I have marigold plants. So what I do is just I get some couple of leaves of the marigold plants. It's the first thing that you can do. If for example you don't have chemical spray, so you can grab some of that, just couple like this. So you have marigold leaves already in your hand, and all you have to do is just you can cut if you have scissors and cut it into pieces or mash it. Either way will work, and then put it around your marigold at the bottom. So first, because ants does not like this marigold crushed down, you put it around the base of the bean plant like that. So if there's no ant there, aphids will not go there as well, because nobody will protect them. Like that, you see that it has a lot of aphids here before, and then lizard, some of the baby lizards get them. See that it really get. And if you don't have marigold, you can use coffee grounds. I have used coffee grounds, very effective way. Also, you can sprinkle it around as well, like this. I have used it. I have used marigold leaves and coffee grounds. It really work. All you have to do is just sprinkle it around. If you don't have like this in cups, you can use the one that, granules if you have. And so far I have not have any problems with my beans, because before I have a lot of aphids, and they like to get the sap of the string beans, and what happened is that it will make the beans weak. It's like this. I have put some marigold as well on the armpits, and before it got a lot of aphids like this. But it is in a minimal numbers, and it is more manageable now. So I used marigolds, crush it around your string bean plant, especially at the bottom, and then coffee grounds. So it is very, very effective. It really works in the garden, and it is really environmental friendly. So there you go, friends, how to remove aphids on your plants or garden. If it's really very heavily infested, you can make a spray, but I highly recommend that if you have aphids, the first thing to do is to eradicate the ants. So you don't have to kill the ants. It just the marigold and the coffee grounds is very, very effective, and it really works very, very well. It's very neat, because you don't have to use any pesticide or insecticide. So thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, or if you want to watch more videos, I have a whole playlist there for you. Please check it out, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.